Alright guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel guys. This is Richard's Key Pinoy Angler. Shout out to all our friends out there. Oh well, we're back fishing again. So, we're just gonna cruise around here in ICW. ICW guys stands for Inert Coastal Water. Well, some of you are wondering what is ICW is. Inert Coastal Water. We're not even out from the jetty, so we're just like cruising around here. So, well, anyway, let's see if we can catch some fish today, guys. I mean, this is the perfect time of the year that you can catch a lot of trout. There's a bunch of going on right now, guys. Mangroves start showing up, trout everywhere, redfish also everywhere, flounder also everywhere, if you know where to find them. So our primary target today is trout. Let's do trout first, and then we go take some mangroves, maybe sheepheads. Maybe we can catch some redfish and some flounder. But flounder is gonna be on the other side, so I don't want to go there. All right. Woo! Something there. You guys are you guys watching? Here we go. We're just gonna put some bait and let's drop it down, baby. Let's drop it down. First drop. Here we go. All right, we got him. Yeah, we got him. First drop, we got him on. Yeah, we got him. Yeah, how about that? This is, if this bite is consistent, guys, we're gonna get a lot of mangrove today. That's for sure. The only problem is there's a freaking boat over there. He's watching my moves, guys. Ooh. That's a big one. Redfish, guys. We got a freaking redfish. That's a big mangrove. That is a big freaking mangrove, guys. Are you guys watching this? That is a big freaking mangrove. Here we go, guys. Ooh. Oh. Look at that greasy bunker here, guys. He came off. Heck, what's that? Okay guys, so I'm switching to I keep losing fish, so I switched to a floater to see if this thing works. I lost 3 big ones already, guys. Right there, right any minute now. Here you go, here you go, here you go. Yeah, we got it. Oh, finally he left. Thank you. There you go. Ooh, that's a good one. Alright, if this thing is, the bite is crazy like that, I'm gonna put a double hook. Yeah, look at that, guys. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Alright, now we're gonna put the double hook, guys. Look at that. We're stacking up fish. We're gonna put the double hook. Alright, guys, let me show you something, okay? So the bite is really like hot right now, and they're really aggressive. So what I'm doing, I put a double hook in it. Let's see if we can find if we can get a double hookup. Every drop. So I know the guy's watching me, so let's see if we can get a double hookup, guys. There you go. Let's get a double. Let's go double. Double, please. Oh, what double, please? Oh, now we have double, guys. This is double. Oh no, just one. The one came up though. Oh, man, now would be nice if we get a double. There you go. There you go. Let's get double. Come on, double. There you go. Let's get double. I want double, please. Oh, now we got double. This is 100% double, guys. 100% double. Watch. I'm telling you, 100% double, guys. You guys ready? That's how you catch a double. Oh, come on, come on. That's a double right there. Double trouble, guys. Double trouble. Double trouble, baby. Look at that. Are you guys watching this? Double trouble, guys. Double trouble. Shout out to my brother Josue. Shout out to Jong. Special shout out nga pala dyan sa ating tropa dyan sa Bicol. Si Alfonso Cruz. Yun ang original ko na tropa na si Al. Shout out to all from San Vicente. Special shout out nga pala dyan sa utol kong hudlom. Nandiyan sa Singapore ngayon. Nag-iisa kong utol yung nagwapo. Pero mas gwapo ako ron. Kay Carl, shout out sa iyo, tol. Sino pa bang mga shout out natin, guys? Guys, pag ganyan busy ang kagatan, kahit hatiin mo yung hipon, guys, timo ha. Hatiin ko yung hipon. Dalawa pa rin yung huli natin, timo. Watch it. Wala, guys. Oop, ayun. Oh. Double. Isa lang, guys. Ayaw mag-double. Kaya pa isa, oh, hindi mo kinain. Tara, sunduin natin si Jeff. Kasi umalis na yung tao. Let's go pick up Jeff. And we gotta go back here.
A few moments later. 2,000 years later. One eternity later.
Sa big one. Redfish. Butaw ya. 3 ka redfish. Kita ko ba? Gasog na nai. Ang nagkagat pa ang gamay, animal ya. Kita mo to ginanag, tugdang siya. Ora na. Okay, go. Okay, hinahinay lang. Redfish, dumdamo redfish. Umutaw redfish dalaw. Kita mo panong sila. Okay, so dalawa huli ni Joffrey, oh. O pag ganyan, Job, dahil mabigat yan, yun na yun.
Dalawa na.
Dito ang hawak mo, Job. Hawakan mo rito. Yun,
dito,
yes.
Tapos ito na.
Tapos, ganyan, up. Dalawa, guys, oh. Ang problema niya, mawawala yung kagat ng mangrove.
Yeah.
Kasi nauna, tingnan mo, nakikita ko redfish, oh. Naglanguyan na yun, oh. Nakikita mo, Job?
Hindi ko na.
Wala ka kasing polarized na salamin.
Hindi ko nakikita mo.
Ayun, guys, oh. Nakita mo ang dami redfish. Ayan, katulad yan, oh. Another redfish na naman, guys. Lang, Job. Sira ang fishing natin ito, Job. Sira ang fishing natin. Dumating yung redfish, eh.
Yeah.
Dami pati. Okay sana kung keeper, eh, no?
Yeah.
Yan, oh. Tingnan mo, Job, ha? Tingnan mo mag-angat ako, Job. Pag isa lang, Job, ganito lang, Job, ha? Up. Phew.
Okay. bitaw.
Sayang.
Sayang. Bale.
Sira yung kagat ng mangrove. Tapon tayo sa ibang side guys. Kasi yung redfish active dun eh. Adjust tayong mag-adjust para sa kanya. Oh, kita mo lang oh. Joffrey oh. Oh yun, mangrove to. 100% mangrove to. Alam ko yung kagat ng mangrove guys eh. Iba dun sa sheephead. Iba dun sa redfish.
Wow.
Dito sila sa kabilang banda, Jeff. Easy. Yee! Dito banda sila, Jeff. Tapong ka sa gitna, ang drift doon, nandun yung mangrove. Tapos wag mong, pag malalaki, putulin mo ha.
Oh, okay.
Let's go, Jeff. Okay. Alright, there you go. Redfish. Oh, trout, ano, mangrove. Mangrove, Jeff. Mangrove yan, pag ganyan kagat. Big mangrove. That is, oh, no, Joffrey. Joffrey, pag isa lang, Jeff. Angat, hindi ganyan.
Okay lang yan, ano?
Yep. Oh, no. Ano to guys? Ano to? Mangrove? Bakit ako Joffrey mangrove? Guys, si Joffrey redfish guys. Akin mangrove. Ito yung mga gustong-gusto ni Pastor na action.
Yan, ba yung kwan?
Paborito niya pa naman to.
Nag-usap nga kami kagabi, sabi niya ba?
Lipat ka dito, Job, sa likod.
May kumakagat.
Piggy yan. Ayun na. Teka, wala. Job, lipat ka rito, Job. Dito ka sa likod.
Ayan, meron.
Meron. Mangrove. Ay, mangrove, Job. Mangrove yan, Job. Ganyan galaw. Eh, angat. Diretso, no. Angat. Angat. Diretso. Pag mangrove, angat. Pag redfish, alalayan mo pag dalawa.
Ayan, nakuha rin kita.
Nakuha. Naligawan mo rin siya, Job. Pakita mo dito, Job. Ano yung huli mo dyan, Job?
Mangrove, man. Mangrove?
We're not telling you the spot, guys, but we're here at the in Freeport. Shout out ka kay Pastor B.
Hey, shout out, Pastor Ronnie. I'm here.
Back again.
Back again.
Kay ate mag-asawa?
Si Kuya Dan and Ate Chris.
Anong pangalan ng babae? Gemma, kay Ate Gemma.
Ate Gemma and Parang Romel.
Oh.
I'm back. I'm sorry. I'm not able to
Call you guys.
Call you.
Sorry.
Sorry.
Nag-sneak out lang siya.
Yep.
Wala na naman, hindi na naka-play. Kaya sorry lang, hindi naka-play yung video natin. Kanina may nahuli tayong sheephead. Pinakawala natin kasi undersize. Hindi natin nakuha sa video kasi nga si Joffrey sabi niya, wag daw mag-record eh. Ayaw niya ng record. Guys, 5 segundo pa lang kami dito ni Joffrey. Tingnan mo, nangingitim na guys.
Wow.
Nangingitim na. There you go. Oh, we got something. We're recording? Yes sir, we're recording. What you got? Oh, they're over there, Joffrey. They're on the other side of the world. Sa likod, Joff. Dito ka, lipat ka rito. Kasi para hindi ka magalanganin magbalibat. Yan. Kaya maganda pag ilan lang kayo sa bangka kasi makakahanap ka ng pwesto. This one could be 9. Oh, you know what? It's 10, guys. Whoa, we got one. Yes, sir. Just like that. Yes, sir. That's how you do it, baby. Naisa ng mangrove. Ako, nakahuli guys, oh. Go. The Revenge of the Fallen. Uy, malaking mangrove yan. Joffrey, huwag mong pakawala. Pag nakakawala yan, iyak ka dyan. Malaking mangrove yan, Joff. Angat, diretso angat. Up. There you go. Pasible lang pero bumaran.
One down. Ang bihira. Ito rin yata eh.
Yung nakawala sa'yo, Joff eh. Pakita mo nga, Joff. Ano yung hinuhuli mo, Joff? Bakit?
Mangrove nakabawi din.
Wala, i-side view mo, Joff, para makita natin sukat niya. Ayun.
Wow. This is big.
That thing is huge, guys. For inshore fishing po, that thing is huge. Yeah, sa inshore ano, kuya?
Big.
Lari. Skati mo yun, Joff, ha? Lagyan mo ng ano, yung gripper para hindi makawala.
Yeah. Sandali.
Kaya baka mamaya nasa bangka na tumalon pa.
Yeah. I don't want to lose it.
Let's see what you got.
Uy.
Uy,
Shy.
14. Media. 14 and a half, you guys. Kasi, right there. Joffrey got it, another one. Oh, that's a good one, Joffrey. Boy, Joffrey? Sabi mo, angat agad, Joff, diretso agad. Huwag mo na ano, diretso.
Wala na slack.
Wala na slack, diretso.
Good.
Si Joffrey lang guys sa kalam.
Dalawa na.
Revenge eh. The revenge of the fallen. Joffrey, nakuha mo na teknik?
Yeah.
Wow, mutaw ya. Shout out na sa mga amigo mo.
Ay, shout out sa kay Kuya Edgar, Pastoron. Andito na kami.
Kinagatan ako, kayo lang sumabit. Uy. Meron pa pong isa. Sumunod. Oo.
Nagaling na sa akin mo. Nasa iyo na eh, siya. Nasa iyo eh. Kita mo na Kuya Dan ha.
Sinabi ni Joffrey yung ano guys, yung butas.
Maganda yung kulay.
Yes, so, kaya guys, tinawag namin tong gray mangrove guys. Gray snapper. Kasi tingnan mo yung kulay niya parang gray, di ba? Yan, kita mo?
Nice.
What size this? Maybe 12? Ah, 11. 11 inches. There you go. Ay, nangingitim na. Nangingitim guys, nangingitim. Oh, nyari dyan. You know who that is? Come on, come on. JC in the house. Oh, yeah. Let's go. Summer school. That's a pretty cool name for a boat. Yeah. Is that a repower or what? New engine. Beautiful. Is that 200 or 300? 250? Beauty. With that? Is that your boat? Must be nice. Hey, try to go out to the jetty with that. If you think it's gonna be doable for tomorrow, we go. But if that boat is too much for that way, the kind of water, we're not going. Yeah, I went over there and it's too rough. Doon na ako Joffrey sa butas guys. Uy, wala. Andun pala ang butas siya sa kabila. Iba yung butas na napuntahan ko, Joffrey. Una ako, Joffrey, guys. Fish on! Guys, malaki na naman itong manger, guys. Ishoo!
Oh, nilawa, oh.
Yung bait, yeah. Ayaw niya ng bait. Come on.
Ang konti si minsan, pag nakita mong malaki talaga.
Masarap to, kuya, yung mangrove. Kasi alam mo mataba. Tingnan mo yung tiyan niya. Puro taba yan. Guys, namumula. Ay, Joffrey in the house, guys.
Good job, Jeff. Get the attention.
Yes, sir!
Nahuli ka rin ulit.
Huli ka rin ulit. May kasama pang galit yun, ha?
Nahuli ka rin ulit.
Joffrey lang, guys. Sa kalam, guys.
Talaga naman.
Joffrey lang sa kalam, guys. Bahala kayo dyan. What? What?
Hira, ilan na namang taod na naman ang...
Marami na namang kari mo ubos, Joffrey, to.
Sige lang. Kukuha din kita.
Shipin tayo, shipin. Guys, hindi pala ako naka-video, guys. Sorry. Sa ilalim. Balik yan, Joff. Wag na, Joff. Wag na, Joff. Ito na. Ito na yung gamitin mo. Keeper pa dito. This one is a keeper, guys. Sukatin ito. Sukatin mo ito, Joff. Okay. Pasok ka ng 15.
So nice ship.
Uy! 16, boss! Pwede yan! Iuwi na yan! Birthdayhan ka bukas! Birthdayhan ka! Birthdayhan ka ni Joffrey. Dito, Joff!
Mukhang maliit.
Malaki yan. Mga 15 and a half yan. Andito sila, Joff. Lumipat. Tayo ka, tapos angat lang. Angat. Angat. Waslik yun. Oh, malaki ka. Darakol yan, darakol. Nakita mo yung angat na style, Jeff?
Yeah.
Huwag alas 12.
Yeah.
16:30. Ebidensya yan ha, 16:30. Woo! Trout kuya? Ito tayo kuya? Trout? Ah, sa trout. Uy! Spanish? Kaya pala kuya. Kasi ba nakita mo yung tumatalong-talong na bait kaganina? Spanish guys. Sa jetty lang namin nahuli yan guys.
First time I've seen it. For this year.
For this year? Kuya, papasok yan.
Yeah. Pasok yan?
Pasok yan, mahaba yan eh. Guys, ang limit niyan guys, kailangan 15 siya.
15, di ba?
Oo. So yan siya, papasok yan siya ng 15 kasi mahaba yan siya, although skinny.
Yun yung ano.
Ay kuya, short.
Short.
Pasalamat ka, hindi ka
Spanish mackerel.
Oo. Pasalamat ka, hindi ka umabot sa banga. Sarap pa naman na sinigang niya.
Yeah.
Oh, sige.
Bakit pa niyan?
Tell me your name, brother.
Hey, my name is Lawrence.
Mr. Lauren.
Yeah.
Tomorrow we're going out offshore.
What time?
We're gonna leave like before 8.
Oh, okay.
How far you live down here?
I live in Houston.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, but it's okay. I'll come out. I
Yeah.
come out here all the time. I'll try.
Come here before 8. We're gonna leave here before 8, and then we're gonna go target some kingfish and some
How far are you going?
32.
32? Okay.
Yeah. Have you fish on, baby? Woo! Fish on! Guys, we got him on. This one's a big one po. Kung hindi siya redfish po ha. Ang laking trout po. Nako, jumbo trout.
Man, that is a huge trout.
This is the one who's jumping over there. Kuya, over yata 20. Tingin mo po.
I don't know. Thursday.
Ay, kuya, mukhang hindi. Mukhang papasok, kuya.
Friday.
Papasok to, kuya. May mataba pero maikli eh.
Yeah.
That could be a keeper, kuya.
Yeah.
Na yan po, nagaluntag doon, oh. Naluntagan sila eh.
Okay. Just a keeper.
Kuya, doon po ang tapon ha. Dito. O yun, kuya, yung habol oh.
Yeah.
Kuya, dito po ang tapon. Joffrey, doon ang tapon. Kasi maikli pero mataba eh. Huwag lang mag-20 ha. Sayang. Kuya, how about that? 20 po. Oh, hey.
Yeah.
Ebidensya ha. Hindi babot. Oh, nose to nose. Sorry ka. Pasok ka sa banga. Pasok ka sa banga. Kaya dito nga po sa harap. Pagkanan mo pag malaki ha. Yan, medyo okay lang yan kasi iba yung galaw. Pero ano pa rin yan, good size pa rin. Keeper yan. Kuya, just like that po, we got a limit. Okay, pick it up. Dali mo sa bandang kanan. Doon sa middle side. Kuya, you got into? Man, trout. Shiphead. Malaki shiphead. Guys, kabilarings na. Mamili ka. Ay, ito na naman ako, kuya. Oh. Ay, hindi natuloy. Malaki shiphead yung kuya, no? Nice size. Si Joffrey, fish on sa kabila. Fish on naman din ako. Ay, akin, kinainan na ako. Fish, oh. Ooh. Joffrey, sa'yo, pakita mo.
Nine?
Measure mo, Jeff. Measure. Ay, pwede. Pasok sa bangaya. Guys, 15 yan ha. 15 ha.
Pumasok sa kawali.
Ship natin is
Ilan yan? Ang ship head. Oh guys, we got him on. Ay, kuya. Mukhang magandang size to. Ay, redfish po. Oo po, redfish. Never mind. Hindi ba? Ano, maliit? Kala ko, trout eh. Sabi ko, mukhang mabigat eh. Kuya, o dyan o nangahabol mo sa sarap.
Parang siyang nahabol ah.
A few moments later, 2,000 years later, 1 eternity later.
Guys, unloading na guys, oh. Oh. Bali, wala. Walang kapagod-pagod.
Wala eh, ganun talaga.
Unloading na guys. Unloading na isda. Ay, ano ka? Karami ba ka?
Yun.
Oh. Saan ka pa?
Yung gagawin natin din eh.
Tama yun sa ano, men's fellowship mo.
Tama yan, ano pa naman? Tag dito, birthdayhan sa fellowship Sunday.
Sunday fellowship.
Dami boy, oh. Halos pa puno yung lagayan, guys.
Ha?
Hindi biro, guys, ha? Oh. Halos pa puno yung lagayan, eh.
Yeah. Oo nga na.
Guys, oh, saan ka pa, oh.
Yung gagawin mo sa ganitong kuhan.
Wala ka naman yung mamalingkis ano.
Ano mo lang, parang ka pumunta ng ano, ng Purak, Pampanga. Guys, walang wala guys, ganun lang kami mag-fishing, oh. Hindi naman kami masyadong ano.
Hindi kami
Halos ba puno, eh.
Hindi kami bihasa.
Ano yan, layer by layer, eh. Redfish sa ilalim.
Croaker lang ang nahuli namin eh.
Alright, well that's about it guys. Ay, mukhang mahabang video to pag ano ko hanggang sa dulo.
Ay, siya.
Papatayin ko na rin.
Patayin mo na muna.
Okay guys, ganoon na lang muna. Nanawa kami guys. Fish on. Kuya,
Peso!
si Kuya Eda nakasama na naman natin. Si Jeff nasa kaliwa. Jeff, fish on.
Peso!
Shout out kay Pastoron. Okay, I'll see you next time guys. Pew!